So, speed assembling a Rubik's Cube. This is just a cool little thing that I've seen some people do. Basically, you start with a disassembled 3x3 like this, and then you assemble it and solve it. The one rule is that you can't just assemble it into the solved position like this, and because of that you might have to take it apart again, because if you assemble a 3x3 randomly, there's only a 1 out of 12 chance that it will be solvable. So you might end up with like a corner twist like this, so you just have to twist it, or like an edge flip like this, so you'll have to take it out. So yeah, and that's basically it. So I have loosened this 3x3 quite a bit so that it will be just easy to get the last few pieces in. I'm not really sure what time I'm gonna get, don't really know what to expect, so I guess I'll just try it out. Well, here it goes. Okay, wow. So I guess I got that 1 out of 12 chance because I didn't have to do anything to it on that solve. So I got a 111. I'll just try it again and then I'll set like a goal for myself for the end of the video. Okay, here it goes. Alright, got the cube assembled at 40 seconds, so... Oh, so here, this is an impossible OLL case, so I have to turn this edge around, and it's also a corner flip. Okay, so I got a 110. Alright, so I guess my goal will be to get sub 1 minute, so let's just keep trying until I get it. Oh no, it's falling apart. I have a feeling this is not gonna be a very good time. Oh, this is an edge flip and a corner twist. Just like that. And a J-perm. Okay, 1 minute 18 seconds, so not as good as my first two. Alright, my times just keep getting worse and worse, so I think I might need a strategy. Let's see, maybe if you start with an edge and then do the edge right across from it. Wait, what if you just do all the edges first and then all the corners? Okay, that's kind of easy. So yeah, I think I'll try that next time. Doing all the edges on the last layer and then all the corners. Gotta switch these corners. Alright, so another 111, so I'm gonna try that strategy again, and hopefully I can get a sub 1 soon. Whoa, that was a really fast first 2 layers. Okay, this is going really well so far. Oh no, I've switched 2 edges. That might have been sub 1 if I didn't have to switch those 2 edges. 106, I think that's a PB though. That was another really fast F2L. So this one could be it. Oh no, just have to switch 2 edges. Come on. Yes, 57. Okay, well if you can see it, it's a 57. But that was nice. I finished F12 at like 15 seconds. Alright, so I want you guys to try this and tell me what times you get in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see me do this, but with a 5x5.